Envision a world where technology and civilization converge with remarkable synergy. In the realm of mechanical engineering, innovation springs not just from gears and levers, but from the masterful integration of physics, mathematics, and materials science. This is the domain that powers progress and precision, having forged historical landmarks from steam engines to today's industrial might. Its relevance transcends history, underpinning present-day innovations and tackling pressing global challenges. Mechanical engineering, often unseen, undergirds systems that move, protect, and entertain us. As we embark on this exploratory journey, we will uncover the discipline's impact on our past, its transformative role in our present, and its potential to reimagine our future. Join us as we transition into exploring mechanical engineering's societal solutions. Facing a world rife with challenges, we often seek solutions to overcome the complexities of daily life. Mechanical engineering emerges as a beacon, illustrating its profound influence through innovations in transportation, manufacturing, and beyond. Acknowledging the field's omnipresence, from the homes we inhabit to the devices we depend on, we see a reflection of mechanical excellence. It's a discipline that deftly applies physical laws to improve our lives, engineering systems that are sustainable and responsive to our evolving needs. As we delve further, recognize that these advances aren't mere amenities, but transformative triumphs that have reshaped civilization. Now, let us proceed to celebrate the historical milestones that have led us to modern innovations and anticipate the advancements that mechanical engineering promises. History turns on the axis of mechanical invention, from the steam engine's genesis to the aviation industry's soaring achievements. The resilience and creativity of mechanical engineers have heralded eras of unprecedented progress. These milestones are not simply relics of the past, they are the architects of today's world. With tenacity and expertise, mechanical engineers bridge the gap between adversity and mankind's prosperity. As we look to the future, we are met with the opportunity to script new chapters filled with innovative solutions to contemporary puzzles. We pivot now from historic legacies to the modern intersection of legacy and innovation, observing how mechanical engineering continues to provide answers for our ever-evolving society. In this era of innovation, mechanical engineers emerge as pivotal figures, designing blueprints for a sustainable future. With advanced robotics and vast renewable systems, they meld progress with ecological stewardship. Pioneers in sustainability, they craft technologies that achieve harmony with the environment. From robotics that simplify operations to renewables that honor our planet, their designs embody resilience and skill. We're invited to envision a world enriched by these technologies, a tapestry of potential woven by the ingenuity of today's engineers. We stride toward a horizon where each mechanical advancement embodies sustainability, eagerly anticipating the field's forthcoming achievements. Our expedition through mechanical engineering culminates with the pathways that future innovators will journey. This is where theory meets practice, readying aspirants for a world reliant on engineered solutions. Diverse educational routes provide the foundation for creativity and success in this multifaceted field. New generations of engineers will take on roles crafting automotive wonders and aerospace breakthroughs, each promising significant global impact. This dynamic landscape perpetually evolves, encouraging continuous learning to master forthcoming technologies. For those drawn to this enterprising domain, the pursuit is lifelong. The journey of engineering excellence is boundless, punctuated by the thrill of discovery and the joy of invention. As we conclude, the march towards progress continues, inviting all who are captivated by engineering's potential to partake in shaping our collective destiny.